Here we are in Chapel Hill, North Carolina, and that's the pool. But it looks pretty foggy, but that's because the windows are kind of dirty. But we just got into this pretty nice room. I know my wife is to the left, and she'll kill me if I get a video of her. But we just got in this room, and it was very warm in here. It was actually showing 72. The temperature setting was on 64. I was like, man, this is really not putting out heat. Here's the air return, and was looking around for the air intake, and here it is. It is 100% clogged and sucked up in there. And I've just spent the last 10-15 minutes trying to get this makeshift. Somebody's put a screw in there to hold this up because evidently this was missing or something. But of course, I don't have any tools here. I'm not near my shop. So it has taken a combination of that at an angle in the Phillips screw, trying that, and a little bit of the key, and a little bit of wedging, and finally got it out of there. But I'm gonna pull this thing out. I've got the air off so it won't stir up some dust, but I've already went down to the front lobby, asked for a maintenance guy, just say, hey, can you give me a 12x12 filter, and I'll change it myself. But they don't have any staff on, maintenance folks on staff. They had really no idea what I was talking about. So I'm just gonna take it out and wash it and clean it myself. We gotta get it cooled down. So let me get this out of here. All right, we're over at the sink, and I've got my Mountaineer hat on, even though I'm in Chapel Hill. They're playing each other tonight. I got a lot of good friends that love the Tar Heels. And if they get through past West Virginia, I'll be rooting for them too. But of course, I'll be rooting for my Mountaineers. But let's get this baby rinsed off. Hotel soap. That's all I got. There's a little kitchenette here, kind of a thing, and I keep thinking, oh, there'll be some Dawn. Oh, there'll be a butter knife for getting the screw out. No, it's just a shell. But we can get some soap on this thing. Get it soaked up real good to loosen up that stuff and get some good smell in it. I think we got it pretty good. Maybe a video on another time, but soap just doesn't get rid of dirt. It reduces the surface tension of the water, so it can break it apart. That's some fun stuff with AFFF foam and other, actually not typical AFFF, but Class A foams for wildland firefighting. We're breaking down the surface tension. Big old lesson in, it's called Dines ratings, or the surface tension, but it is loosening up that dirt and stank. All right, time to rinse it. Yeah, good brown stuff coming out. There's something drain in there somewhere. Yeah, there it is. Wring it out. Get it mostly dry, but once the air starts moving, it's going to dry it out. Now you can tell this thing has probably been rinsed a few times. That's probably what they do, but this has not been done in a long time, probably because there was a screw in it and it's hard to get out. And somebody just checks a box on form. So, all right, let me put it back in. All right. It's in there, but as you can tell, see the nice blow up in there, but this actually should be a box frame filter. I've actually pinched it in between where it's mounting up in there, so it's going to hold it, but there's really no structure to hold this from not getting sucked up through there all the way. But not my house. Screws in just enough to get us going. All right, gonna put it back on. Fan is on auto. I'm gonna go ahead and stick it to on here as soon as we turn it on. Let's get this on cool. Let's go ahead and turn that fan on. Well, the good news is it's not sucking it up in there yet, but it is gonna filter some and give us some air movement. So, anyway, that's good to go. Turn off my little light, but go Mountaineers. I'll see y'all soon. Have a blessed day.